I'm Denise Bodart, Product Manager at Realityworks and Executive Secretary for the NCHSE. And I'm here today to tell you the top 3 reasons why you should use the Geriatric Curriculum from Realityworks. Number 1, we actively integrate the use of the learning tool such as the Task Trainer Simulator right into the lesson. There's no question, you get step-by-step instructions for exactly how to use that training tool in your classroom to engage your students. Number 2, you get assessment. The assessment's ready to go. You can now objectively measure all of the knowledge gained in a single lesson or throughout the program. And of course, we always include those answer keys for your ease of use. And number 3, we have made it very easy to teach everything you need from the lesson. You no longer need to be a subject matter expert, or you could even have a substitute teacher come in and you get step-by-step instructions for teaching every part of the lesson.